Have you ever felt something inside you, a small voice, a warning you cannot ignore? That feeling is not by chance. Right now, at this very moment, Allah could be sending you a sign meant to guide you, protect you, and save you from regret. You cannot see it yet, but it is there, speaking directly to your heart. Life can feel overwhelming. You wake up every day with responsibilities, worries, and endless decisions. Sometimes you feel lost, tired, or frustrated. You wonder why things are so hard, or why nothing seems to go right. What if I told you that these struggles, these moments of unease, are actually Allah's way of warning you? A way of saying, pause, reflect, and turn back to me. Imagine this. You are about to make a choice that could change everything. Something feels wrong, but you ignore it. Later, you regret it. That small hesitation, that uneasy feeling, was a warning from Allah. He sent you a sign to guide you, but you missed it. Every day, Allah sends us these signs, sometimes as challenges, sometimes as sudden opportunities, sometimes as thoughts in our hearts. The key is to notice them and respond with faith. Many people think that guidance comes only in big, obvious ways. That is not true. Allah's signs are subtle. They appear in the people you meet, the situations you face, and even in your own thoughts. You might feel anxious about a decision, or a door might close in your life unexpectedly. That is not a coincidence. That is a warning, a chance to choose the right path before it is too late. When you start listening to these signs, you will notice a change. Your heart becomes more aware, your mind becomes calmer, and your choices become wiser. You begin to trust Allah more because you see that He is always protecting you, guiding you, and keeping you away from harm. These signs are not punishments. They are messages of love, care, and guidance. Think about your daily life. Every struggle, every difficult moment, every uneasy feeling is a reminder that Allah is near. He wants you to pause, to think, and to choose carefully. He wants you to seek Him, trust Him, and follow His guidance. When you do, life becomes clearer, lighter, and more peaceful. Do not wait for tomorrow. Do not ignore the small signs today. A thought in your heart, a feeling in your chest, a situation that seems wrong, they are all messages. Respond to them with reflection, prayer, and sincerity. Allah is calling you closer, showing you the right path, and protecting you from mistakes you cannot yet see. You have the chance to change your life right now. Pay attention to these signs. Listen carefully. Follow them with faith. Your heart, your soul, and your life can transform in ways you never imagined. Trust Allah, act with awareness, and never underestimate the power of His guidance. If this message reached your heart, share it with someone who needs it. Like, share, and subscribe so more people can hear these reminders. Every sign is a message of love. Every moment is a chance to follow Allah's guidance. Do not ignore it.